The video you are about to see is for entertainment purposes only. If you would like to learn self-defense or any martial art, please seek the instruction of a certified instructor.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? This is going to be a pretty short video this week. I just want to talk about some kicks that I've been working on. I have not mastered them in any way, but it's just something I've been working on and I've been kind of enjoying, so I want to share it with you. First, it's not really just one kick, it's a combination. We've been doing a lot of sparring lately, getting ready for the tournament, and I found that doing a roundhouse followed by a hook kick often leads to good results for me, at least. The main thing being that I am advancing with the roundhouse followed by the spinning hook. The roundhouse is more of a fake and just letting me get closer to them in disguise. The second kick, I'm not 100% on if I like it or not yet. It's a side kick followed by a jump spinning back kick where you pretty much kick them with both feet off of the ground. I like it stylistically. It looks really good. I don't know how practical it is, but it's a whole lot of fun to kick on the bag. My problem is I don't know if when I get the first kick in, if the person would still be there for when the second kick follows through. But man, it sure is pretty. The last kick I've been working on is a jump spinning hook kick, which I've never been good at. Normally when I tried to do them coming up through the ranks, I jumped up immediately and did a hook kick. Last time I was in New Orleans, Master Church taught me a new way to do jump spinning hook kicks, and it's more of adding a step to it, so it slings you around a little bit faster. It does take a little bit more for the build-up, but when you actually hit the bag, it feels a lot better, in my opinion, than when you just jump off the ground and do it. That's just my opinion. Try these out. What do you think? And tell me if there's any kicks that I need to be doing, or if I need to improve, or if there's any kicks you'd like to see in the future. I'm not a master kicker by any means, but hey, you know, I want to make a short video this week, and I've been working on some kicks lately, and so I figured I would share them with you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit that bell, you know, all that good stuff. Like the video, just hit all the buttons. Whenever next week comes around, we're going to have a really special one. I'm excited. So I'll see you next week. Until then, see ya.